This is another beautiful and simple to achieve headwrap, guys. Welcome to African Beautiful Fashion and Lifestyle. In this video, I am going to be showing you how you can achieve this gorgeous and elegant headwrap for your next Owambe event parties. Then you can rock to church, you can rock to any occasion of your choice. So I made some plates from front to back, like 3-4 plates, and then I'm just going to be crossing it at the back. So make sure you tuck in your hair, no flyaways. Just make sure the front is as flat as you can achieve it. Yeah, it doesn't have to be 100% perfect, but just try your best. And I just bring it forward and then hold it in the center just like that and make a center knot. So I'm making a central knot with my actual material on the side, not in the center. As you can see, the way I divided my actual is 60-40, which means I have one division longer than the other so that I can end it at the side. Yes, so I'm taking my knotting to the side and then I just raise up the excess fabrics of the actual material that I am using to tie my gele. And guys, it's very easy. I tell you, every day we are committed to teach you DIY headwraps that you can tie in no time. This is less than 2 minutes and right there you have a beautiful headwrap. You can rock it like this, divide that butterfly side more to be more buoyant, but I'm not going for the butterfly side today, so I'm going to be doing something different without opening by the side. So I'm just going to cross it in there just like that. You can pin it there right there and form another style. But I have a goal. This is not my final destination. Right now I'm just playing around my gele. Then I'm pinning the pinnables and see, that's actually another style right there. Like, it's all about try and error. Like, you try something, you like it, you go for it. You don't like it, you redefine it. So I'm just going to tuck it in again and use my pin to hold it, to define that archy shape at the side of my gele. And this is the desired design that I want by the side of my gele. And you can see I have a beautiful round knotted on the side gele right there. And this gele style is as simple as that, guys. What do you think? What do you think? How easy it is? On a scale of 0 to 10, how easy do you think this headwrap is based on this tutorial that you just watched? Give it a try. Let me know what you think. Like, you won't believe how easy it is for you to achieve this beautiful headwrap. This is the back, is an open type because I have my hair dangling out, and you see that hand is coming out because I didn't pin that side very well. But it's okay, you can actually rock it or just tuck it in again. So I'm just going to be tucking mine in to make sure that it is well secure. You can actually make another design with that part right now by just tuck mine in. You can use another pin to secure it, but this is the design that I want, and it's as easy as that. Give this a try. Please share this video with your friends, your loved ones, your sisters in diaspora. Let them learn how to do DIY gele. Thank you for watching. Stay blessed, stay productive.